Hello, YouTube viewers. This is me again, our influencer, and today we are going to talk about on how you may use a no copyright claim for your background music. Now, yes, we go to YouTube app. Okay, sorry for the ad. Yes, okay. Now, if you want to choose a song that you want to use for your background, just like when you're a blogger and you want to use a no copyright claim background music, let's say choose a song from a Blackpink, the song Solo by Jennie. Okay, now for you to know if it is a copyright song or no copyright, just click the three dots and choose the word filters and click Creative Commons and then apply it. Now you may choose any of this song and it says it is no copyright song or video. That means you may reuse it, but still, for you to make sure if it is in no copyright music or video that you can use, click the click the video and then click the arrow down. As you can see, it says that you can use the music including the description of the video, Jennie Solo, and the license Creative Commons attribution. That means that you may reuse. It is allowed to use. So you just copy paste it. So press and the paste. Okay, just press the word. Okay, you may copy paste all the descriptions and paste it on your video. Yeah, so that's it for today. So let's do a recap. First, you go to the YouTube app and then go to the search engine and search for the word or for the song that you want to use as your background, and then click the three dots and it will show all the videos just like this. Then click the video, click the down arrow and copy paste all the description, and copy and paste the descriptions, and now you may use that. Okay, that's all for today, and hope you like this video, and please subscribe, like, and share the video if you like it. Thank you so much, and it's me again, our influencer at your service. Bye for now. Thank you.